Make sure she doesn't get over there and knock over that tower. No, she's okay. Mommy's watching her. Go, Vivian. Vivi's playing maracas and Lala's playing piano. Right, Vivi? Oh, what happened to your maraca? You dropped it? I don't know. Hello, Vivi.
Katya and Maurice then can play Happy Birthday on the piano.
Oh.